Hey my guys, how are you all? Hope I'll be fine and doing very awesome. Welcome to Trades Profit House. Today in front of you I'm showing a new version of spike detector which is strong bull with the name. Look here, two chart front of you. Here is the crash chart where we open a trade, a sell trade. Look here guys, the trade is executed and now we're waiting for a spike. And let's move on your stop loss with 3 candles right front of you. Stop loss is activated on my trade. And now let's move on other chart. Look here, crush 300 we're waiting signal. And look here, B3, and here is crash, and here is crush 300. This is the chart. Here is the signal guys. Now let's time to open a trade. The first trade on crush 300 is executed. Okay, the trade is opened on crush 300 with 1 standard lot, and now we're waiting for a spike. And our second trade is activated on crush 500. The both are sell positions, one on crush 300, the second one on crush 500, and we are waiting for a spike. Okay guys, now see here. Okay, also let me move on the chart and show you how is our crush 500 trade is going. As you guys seen before this, we executed our trade on crush 500, a sell position with 1 standard lot, and the one position is on crush 300 with 1 standard lot. And right now in front of you guys, look here, we're waiting for a spike with 3 candles stop loss, and let's see if the spike is there, make the profit. If there's no spike after 3 candles, we're gonna hit the stop loss and we're going to close our trade. Look here, the crush 500 trade is executed and moving, and the crush 300 also executed and moving, and we're waiting for a spike. Okay guys, and see in front of you, here is another chart of boom 300, and we missed this spike. No problem, let's move with crush 500 and crush 300. Stay with me guys, watch this video till end. 2 trades. Look here guys, here is the spike. Here is the spike on crush 300 and we are in profit. You guys can hold this trade and may close this trade, is up to you. The spike signal, look here, the trade sell and we made the profit. Look here the spike, and now let's move on crush 500 and see what's going on there. Let me save the pic for my group, and here the pic is saved. Okay guys, let's move on crush 500 and see what's going on. Look here guys, here is also spike, and this trade is also in profit. So this is the power of this system. Look at it guys, a big one spike. This is the power of this system. If you guys really want to make money, you must have this system. Let's come chat with our team. Thanks for watching.